You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chang. First, the US dollar. The dollar weakened marginally on Tuesday after debt default concerns and the federal government shutdown continued to weigh. The greenback ended the day 1.3572 to the euro and 96.89 to the yen. The minutes from the September FOMC meeting headlined today's economic news. Next to the euro. The euro strengthened slightly on Tuesday after global risk appetite rose following reports that US senators were preparing emergency legislation to provide temporary funding and avoid debt default. The single currency ended the day 1.3572 to the dollar and 131.49 to the yen. Today's data includes German industrial production in August, which is expected to ease to negative 1.4% year-on-year, and commentary from ECB President Draghi. British pound. The pound fell marginally on Tuesday after data from the British Retail Consortium showed lower than expected rise in sales, whilst commentary generally highlighted the fragility of the recovery and the continued risk of economic shocks. Sterling ended the day 1.6081 to the dollar and 0.8438 to the euro. Today's data includes more data from BRC with short prices year-on-year in September on tap. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Tuesday after a mixture of falling safety flows and poor data weighed. Risk appetite rose overall after US senators started to put together emergency measures to raise the debt ceiling, whilst data showed the trade deficit falling by slightly less than expected. The yen ended the day 96.89 to the dollar and 155.81 to the pound. Today's data includes machine orders, which are expected to rise 8.5% year-on-year in August, bank lending in September, and data showing the amount spent by Japanese investors purchasing foreign assets and by foreigners buying Japanese assets. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.3555 with 1.3605 and 1.363 inside. The downside penetration of 1.3555, which will call for 1.3535 and 1.3505. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long position above 1.605 with 1.6125 and 1.6165 inside. The downside breakout of 1.605, which will open the way to 1.6 and 1.5975. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long position above 96.75 with targets at 97.5 and 97.85. The downside breakout of 96.75, which will open the way to 96.5 and 96.1. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.